Hello guys, welcome again in my channel. Today I am making an unboxing video. I really need an external keyboard, तो मैंने आज Blinkit से मंगवाया है. So let's see what's inside and how it really works. So let's unbox. तो ये ऐसा आया है और ये बिल रही हमारी. So guys, our keyboard is of and value brand. You can see here the company is and value, and it has 104 keys keyboard on the back. Here are some specification. It is a full office keyboard and the black color and wired USB plain plug keyboard. How it has come. We get this keyboard itself with attached a USB cable, and here some user manual. So you can see guys about its build quality. Yeah, it's nice. It's solid in black color. It's a full size keyboard, and the keys are quite soundable, but it's okay for office or normal casual use. On the behind the back side, it has a stand, adjustable stand that we can easily use it. So let's plug it. So guys, you can see here. So let's type something, and I'm using numbers also. Yeah, quick responsive keys. Yeah. Overall guys, it's best keyboard and it's a warranty of up to 6 to 1 year. So I think it's the best. So thanks for watching. So please do subscribe